Hello my friends, thanks for joining me. This is Creating with Jovi and this is 100 Days of Pockets. This is a collaboration hosted by Cindy A. Lewis and I am co-hosting along with her. And today we're going to do a wraparound pocket. There's a pocket on this side and because it wraps around, there is a pocket on this side. So this is a super quick, super fast pocket to make and you get 2 for 1, which is fantastic. Alright my friends, the materials that you are going to need today for the diagonal wrap pocket is going to be either a journal page or a paper like this that you planned that you could glue into a journal, okay? And then you're going to need either a 4x4 or a 6x6 piece of paper. So I chose this vintage wrapping paper. I think it's so super, super cute. And you'll need scissors, glue, and if you want, a corner punch. So first thing you're going to do is take your 4x4 or 6x6 piece of paper and you're going to want to fold that corner to corner. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it corner to corner again. Since this is a wrap pocket, I'm going to take it and I'm going to wrap it around this, what could be a journal page or a piece that you plan to put in a journal. But I've got to glue this down. So I'm going to get glue on both sides of this because they're wrapping around the journal page. And just like magic, we have 2 pockets, one on this side, and when we flip our page over, we have one on this side. No need for me to embellish this. It's busy. It's already got a lot going on. If you wanted, you could take some washi tape and put it here. You could put a focal point right here. Same on the other side. So there is our diagonal wraparound pocket. Thanks for watching. See you soon.